Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Patricia binti Zalani. My engineering improvement title is Detection Water Alarm System on Water Trap Ventilator. Critical and operative care. The development of alarm system has lagged the technological advances of medical devices over the last 20 years, especially on high-end equipment such as ventilator. Mostly, ventilator equipped with water trap to collect and remove any condensation or moisture that may accumulate in the breathing circuit during use. But my project is focused on water trap that located on the back of the ventilator that attached with the blender and inlet of air supply wall. However, if the present water occurs on air supply inlet, this can cause the water easy to flow past inlet to water trap that can lead to equipment failure. This is because no sensor that attached on water trap that difficult to detect water pass through ventilator. There are three problem statements of my project. For the first is presence of water often occurs in pressure and supply channel and water pass through the inlet and into the water trap. For the second, no sensor on the water trap that can be detect the water enters the water trap. For the third, water can enter internal parts of ventilator and lead to failure if the water is uncontrolled and full in the water trap. My project objective for the first is to design water detection for water trap as additional features of ventilator machine using HL83 rain sensor. For the second, to provide an alarm system when detect water or liquid for water trap of ventilator machine. For the last, to analyze the different readings, voltage and resistance on sensing pad based on the percent of presence of water droplet. This is my plot diagram that involves on three elements. For the first is input, second process, and the last output. Here is my schematic diagram that consists LED light, buzzer, Arduino Nano, LCD display, and HL at 33 rain sensor. This is my overview of my prototype.